Good morning to all employers there in Hong Kong. My name is Richie Innocente Pascual. I'm 158 centimeter, high school graduate, and I'm married with three kids. My religion is Roman Catholic, and I don't take any medicine for maintenance and no disease. I have work experience in Singapore for 2 years and 2 months from April 2022 to March 2024. There are 4 family members in the family with one Chinese chef. My main duties and responsibilities are take good care of the baby and cleaning, ironing, and laundering. Mom and sir, I know how to cook some Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, fried noodles, and some chicken soup. And I'm willing to learn more, mom and sir. To my future employer, if you give me a chance to work with you, I will do all my responsibilities as a helper. And I will take care of your children as my own. I will take them back, feed them, play with them, and take them sleep. I'm looking forward to work with you soon, mom and sir. Thank you.